So Hubert, after me having a wee flight on the normal wing, and then a nice semi-soaring flight on the mini wing, but still being pretty strong, albeit it's drying out. Winds dropped to 20-ish knots, maybe slightly below. Most of the showers are cleared. Sun over towards East Lomond now. And that's Hubert about 10 minutes or so into playing about with the wing. Turn, step and all you've needed assist. Primary control on the harness. Back a sec. Very much in the zone. Yep, perfect. As we can see, one thing he's not looking at to any extent is the wing. Just the occasional glance to assist when needed, but not fixate. See how the movement with the hands, it's almost all harness stuff. Not bad, that was what, 10, maybe 15 minutes?
Yeah.
And that's the first time you've lost it?
Yeah.
Pressures of the camera. Easy one there, and remembering to wait for it. No, just ease back. No, just keep it as is. Just ease back, but check the airspace. That was the bit. So if you give it a wee surge, then you can see what you've got, because when you've got that amount of thistling, it's difficult to make out where everything is. Yep, that's it. Good, good, good. Now check for left over right. Yeah. Now you're fine here if you're happy with it, but you are getting nearer the edge, so you can get a better feel for how it flows. Yep, so just tiptoe a wee bit back to the lifty area, but not going right out, so come towards me a little bit. Wee bit more. There's a slippy cowpat to your current right. You're clear of it, just slightly this side. Yeah, that's okay. Now I want you a wee bit closer over here now. Slowly turn out the face forwards, and then fly without the massive harness control advantage that being crossed has. So turning the face forwards. Now try it. Yep, and you can see the big difference that makes. And as soon as it goes wrong, he's flicking back round and recovered it. And nicely recovered there. So that's one of the reasons that we often teach students, once they're getting up to reasonable speed in the fresher but perfectly safe soarable conditions, to take off backwards with a slow controlled turn in the air and continue flying, because as soon as you turn facing forward it gets harder. Okay, so again, try it gently. So it's just a new task. So tiptoeing forwards, checking for the cowpats. So getting used to being able to turn around and look, but also correct any inverted inputs into the cowpat. Right below you, you're clear. Okay, now slow turn round. Now, and again it's going wrong, so flick. Now, one of the reasons there is that you actually stopped on the turn. So flick back to left over right, good, good, good. Now once you've got the wing above you and you're tiptoeing backwards in a continuous move, continue moving in the same direction as you turn. Cowpats are 6 foot behind you, you're clear at the moment. Okay, cowpats almost next to your left foot, clear. So when you've got reasonably stable, build up a bit more speed, keep coming this way, to my voice, to my voice, to my voice, and start your turn now. Keep coming to me, to me, to me, to me. There, much better?
Yeah.
So tiptoes forward as far as you feel safe with, and you can see how twitchy. So less brake and more with the harness. I'm turning now, just hold it, hold it, hold it. And again, that was what we were doing a couple of the other week, where it was taking off backwards and then turning round. It really gives you the edge when it's more technical. Okay, the wind's fine, so you can come a wee bit nearer the slope. Okay, and picking up the airspeed, start coming back, 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 wee touch right, and Turning around, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep this way, this way, this way, this way, keep coming faster. Let it roll level. Yep, so ease off the low brake and just stepping. There, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. And then that would be flick round now. And now you need the brakes because you're on the bit where there's lift. So you don't want it to fly fast and take you off. And then you just walk slowly back. So flick to forwards and the wing will slow down, making it easier for you to walk back. So when you've got stable, and flick to forwards. Yeah, no. And flick now, and now let it take you back. Take you back. Yeah. Ease off the brakes. Just ease off and just walk back, and now you're back on the flat. Yeah. And then you can get back to the flick round and take it to a sheltered area for parking, or continue if you want. And I'll shut down the camera in a second. Okay. Or repeat that again if you want. So, picking up your speed while you're still crossed towards the takeoff. You want it rolling slightly to your current left, because as you turn, that tends to centre you. Right. So going there and turning, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, faster, down slow. Yep, and faster this way, yep. Very twitchy with that. Much easier with a normal wing, yeah. But it's getting used to the fact that the wing tends to roll a bit when you turn. When you turn, yeah. So setting it up so before you're turning it's already going the way you need it to go to centre, yeah. And then as you turn you continue on. I see what you mean, yeah, I see what you mean, yeah. You want to play on your own, and I'll shut down the camera. Let you go. Shut down the camera. Okay, good one.